I'm Sara Pilch, and I work for Henry Kitchen and Bath. I've been in the industry for over 20 years. I kind of stumbled into this position, just started off as a receptionist and found out that I like to design and seem to have a little bit of a knack at it. So the first thing we do when I sit down with a customer is we talk about how you use your space. This can be really overwhelming, the design process, and we try and break it down into small sections. Don't think about the big picture. Think about one thing at a time. For instance, in a bathroom, we're just going to worry about the faucet. Do you like one shape or the other? What color are you going for? And it's going to feel a little bit like an eye test. Do you like option A or do you like option B? We're going to ask you a lot of questions, but within those questions, you're actually giving us the answers that we seek. And by the time you're done, you're going to have this beautiful space designed, and you've actually done most of the work. You need to be comfortable in your space. You don't want to have to go to work all day at a 5-star resort and then come home to a budget inn. You want to make sure that your home fits your expectations of where you want to be.